Now let's solve x here. Okay, now we are given 3 raised x plus 6 raised x equals 45. Now from here we can write this one as the power x plus, so 6 is the same as 3 times 2. Okay, so raised x. Now the idea is that we have 3 raised x, so we are doing this in order to take 3 raised to the power x out here, equals 45. Now when you are given x times t all raised to p is the same as xt or raised to p. That will be x to the power p times t to the power p. So this side 3 raised to x plus, so 3 raised to x times 2 raised to x as shown here. Okay, so that will be 45. Now from here we can take 3 raised to the power x out. So 3 raised to the power x out, I've left 1 here, plus, so this side will be 2 to the power x equals 45. Now we have product here, so let's change this. So 3 raised to the power x, 1 plus, so 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, so if I do this, it means the first term here correspond to the first term here, and 1 plus 2 raised to x will also correspond to 5. Okay, so from here 3 raised to the power x is equals to 9, and 1 minus 2 raised to the power x is also correspond to 5. It's plus but not minus, it's plus. So this side will be 3 raised to x equals to 3 squared, therefore x equals to 2. And this side will be 1 plus 2 raised to x equals to 5. So we can have 2 raised to x. Let's subtract 1 from both sides. That will be 5 minus 1. 2 raised to the power x equals to 4. So 2 to the power x is the same as 2 squared. Therefore x equals 2. So whichever way you get the same thing as s equals 2. Alright, so that's that.